That's a decent ball too. That's $9. $12. Alright. There you go, there you go. Thank you, bud. See, one more. Get this next row. Come on. There you go. 2 more. 1 more. Keep helping, monkeys. Come on. Good boy, good boy, good boy. I got a mini at the top there. 2 more. Come on. No, they're not gonna throw none no more. Oh, crud. Last spin. Oh, don't do that. They did it. They did it. They did it. Not too bad of a win on a 75-cent bet. $25. I think that's what I sat down with though, huh? Yeah, I sat down with 40. Oh, yeah, good idea. Wasn't expecting that. See if I can beat $25. Nice progressive up there. Lower, thank you, thank you. Man, it's like I can't get any on my own. Oh my goodness, thank you. Come on, put some words down here. Some words, get some words. Words. All right, that's still $10. Come on, go down. Nothing. It's like you can tell. It's like you can tell you're not gonna get any more. It's like you can tell it. I think I beat my 25. What do you think I did? That's pretty good for 75 cents. You got a mini. Alright, let's see what happens here. At least you're already back to even. There you go, good, good, good. All the way down there. No, not there. Oh goodness. Thank you. Monkeys, thank you. Hey, a lot of space, a lot of space. Some more, come on. Oh, he didn't throw it far enough down. No. Ah, you son of a bitch. Still wasn't too bad. I think about $30. $1 more? Yes, I got it. Ah. No, almost. Alright, let's see if I can beat my $40 here. I'm off to a good start. Come on. Big numbers, come on. Big numbers. Come on, throw them down here. Big balls, mini. Come on. Bring your friends. Oh my god, last spin. Okay, thank you. Woo. Come on. Oh no, he threw it in the wrong place. on, you can do it. You can do it. No, I hate that. $17 on that.